3 low sugar, savory vegan breakfasts you'll love. Cereals, pastries, pancakes, yogurts and jams, particularly in the UK and US, are seen as normal breakfast foods, but are these really the best way to start the day? Many breakfast foods have large amounts of sugar added to them, often without the consumer even being aware of it. With the obesity crisis being a huge burden on healthcare services, more and more conversations are ongoing regarding sugar and its impact on human health. But you don't have to wait for regulations to reduce your own sugar intake. You can make changes in your own life right away. It's your life after all. There are so many alternative savory breakfast options out there that are easy to make, delicious to eat, and completely free from added sugar. Having vegetables for breakfast can be such a great way to get a bunch of nutrients into your body first thing. Want some ideas to guarantee a fab start to your day? Then keep watching for these 3 low sugar savory vegan breakfasts we're sure you're gonna love. Number 1. Homemade baked beans. Baked beans from a can are a British classic, and I doubt that will ever change. They are not, however, very healthy as they contain quite a lot of sugar, 9.8 grams in half a can. Part of the appeal of baked beans is that they are quick to cook, but this can still be the case when making your own vegan breakfasts with beans. Beans are a great source of protein for vegetarians and vegans alike and contain high amounts of potassium and magnesium. I recommend eating these tomato beans on toast with a bunch of toppings: avocado, jalapenos, wok fried mushrooms, leafy greens. Honestly, the options are endless. Number 2. Savory Porridge. Oats are a well-known vegan breakfast way to start the day, being high in many nutrients and a great source of fiber and carbohydrates. Sweet porridges are very popular for this reason, particularly in the colder months. But porridge doesn't have to be sweet. You may be skeptical of salty porridge, but I assure you there are some fantastic recipes for savory oatmeal out there with more than just salt to flavor them. Adding an array of different veggies can make your simple bowl of oats even more beneficial for your health. Number 3. Tofu Scramble. Tofu is a staple for many vegans and vegetarians. It is made from soybeans, is high in protein, and is a rich source of iron and calcium too. By itself, tofu can taste quite plain, but it absorbs flavor chameleon style like a sponge, so when cooked with lots of spices and sauces, becomes utterly delicious. Tofu Scramble makes among the most versatile vegan breakfasts and can be eaten by itself, on toast, as part of a low oil big stir fry, or can even be used as a sandwich filler. However you eat it, this is a great way to kickstart your day. Whether you're trying to lose weight, want to improve your diet for health reasons, or perhaps you simply don't have a sweet tooth in the morning, I hope you feel inspired to try rustling up vegan breakfasts over the next week. Boxes of cereal and pastries from the shop are easy and convenient, but it can make all the difference to your health to take a little bit more time to make something with care at home. You'll probably appreciate it a lot more too. There is never going to be one correct way to start your day that applies to absolutely everyone, but by having a delicious and nutritious meal, I guarantee you'll feel better about yourself and the day ahead. Got a vegan breakfast to share? Let us know in the comments below. Our mission is to help 1 billion people reach 100 years old happily and healthily by the year 2100. If you like the idea and would like to help spread the message, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Keep Fit Kingdom YouTube channel, and share this with your friends and family. Let us be the change we want to see in the world. We don't have to wait for the old guard, if you know what we mean, to create change. The power is in the people. Yes, including you who is watching this, me and 1 billion strong. Let's do this. You can find a link to the website in the description box below, and you can also drop us a line on social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, which is @KeepFitKingdom for all 3. Thank you.